What is cancer? Cancer can come in many forms, but they all can relate to one thing: lacking amino acids. The wrong amino acid in the wrong structure will create problems. In this short video clip, I'll explain to you what is cancer, what are amino acids, and how this relates to obesity and other sicknesses. The human body is all consist of proteins. The only organ that doesn't consist of protein is the human brain. This is made up of a thing called omega-3 fats. Omega-3 fats, fish oil, flaxseed oil, that there is the fat that encases the brain cell. The brain cell itself is the protein, but we need to bubble wrap that. So the only organ that consists of non-protein is the brain. Omega-3 fat is different than the fat that is on your hip. The omega-3 fat is a living fat cell. It's a living fat cell, which means it can duplicate itself and make another one that can replace it. What is protein? 724 trillion protein cells make up your entire body. Skin cells make up about 35 billion, and these ones only live about 6 weeks. Your blood lives about 120 days. The cells on the surface of your lung about 2 weeks. If you're a smoker, these lung cells will die a lot quicker. This will tell me that that person would need to eat more protein to help repair and regenerate the ones that he has just killed. Proteins are made up of a smaller thing called amino acids. These are the human building blocks to the human body. That's you. You are made up of amino acids. Just like children's blocks, you build things. Different blocks, different shapes build different things. There's about 22 to 23 different amino acids to the whole body. Hair protein uses 19 different amino acids just to form one hair protein cell. If you are missing one amino acid in that protein cell, the term is called sickle cell. Sickle cell usually is a term that means it's a dead cell anyway, but it doesn't work properly. In other words, a cancer cell, but we don't call dead cells cancer, we only call the living ones cancer. When lacking an amino acid, the body will replace it with a wrong amino acid. This creates a protein cell that now doesn't work, whether it's an eye protein cell, liver protein cell, or the smoker who now has a deformed lung cell. This is called a malignant cell. Out of the 35 billion skin cells, if you only get one cell with this, then you won't notice it at all. But once you get a group of these malignant cells, we now call that a tumor or cancer. Also, lacking these amino acids, other things will shut down before these things would happen. Your stomach acids, they're made up from amino acids. They will not work properly. Your immunity system is made up of amino acids. Your heart is made up of amino acids. Your muscles are amino acids. How would this affect the human body when your body is lacking amino acids? We have to eat to make sure we get the nutrition that we need to replenish everything in our body. We know this with vitamin C, and we need that daily, and we make sure we get that. But we also need other things, round about 55 other things your body needs a day to survive. You get your oxygen for free, you get your sunlight for free, and you get your water for free. The others you have to go and find yourself. A big chunk of this are amino acids. You need these daily. Which are the best food sources? Anything that's high in protein. Find a food that's high in protein, and that's the one. Most foods that are high in protein are usually meats. The amino acids in here, the body will digest your amino acids and reform them into protein organs. From here, you can replace every organ in your body. If you were to give a kid Weet-Bix, which lacks the amino acids, the child will still be hungry, looking to replace his heart, liver and kidney, and will come home from school looking for food and fuel to replace his body. Give the kid a piece of chicken after school, which contains all the amino acids the human body needs, or an egg that contains all the amino acids the human body needs to grow. Hopefully in this short video clip I've shown you what amino acids are and how the body requires these to grow the body, and from these amino acids are built to protein. Lacking the amino acids, once again your body will look for them, and by giving the kids fruit, sugar and foods, this is how obesity may begin. Obesity to me shows me our child is not eating the right nutrition, therefore something else inside is not growing. Kia ora.